One. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny on Crazy Marcus here today with episode 21 of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Bit excited today because as many of you may know, tomorrow's my birthday. Also quite happy today I got a TikTok video liked by Bad Boy Chili Cream. Anyway, on with today's video. Today I'm going to be making a beautiful chicken and mushroom pie. Ingredients, of course, we've got 2 packs of pastry, 1 for the top, 1 for bottom, chicken breast, which I will obviously cut into smaller pieces, some eggs. So what I'm going to do is just crack the one egg, use the yolk as a glazing and a glue, mushrooms as well, and some mushroom soup just to give it that nice creamy texture. So I'll see you when I start preparing all the ingredients. Okay guys, so at the moment I am just cutting the chicken breasts into smaller pieces just to make the pie nice. You don't really want to be finding like a big huge piece of chicken in there. Then again, maybe you do. We all have our different sort of opinions. Just try not to cut my fingers off either. Once I've cut all the chicken into smaller pieces, I am going to brown it off. Then I'll brown the mushrooms off with the chicken, cook it all up. Then I'll start making the pie itself. So yeah, should be fun. And it should also taste gorgeous. Can't wait, guys. Okay, so change of plan. I'm going to cook the mushrooms in the pie. First what I'm going to do, however, is brown the chicken off. Hopefully I'm not going to get burned. Make sure I get all of it in, don't make a waste any. Then just got to keep moving it nice and fast, make sure it don't stick. Okay, so you've got to just keep moving it about. Try not to drop any out the pan like I've just done. Basically, just keep moving it about, make sure it goes white. Oh, God's sake. Slushy stuff pastry. Why are you putting extra pastry? I don't know. Nice.
good. That's near enough now. Right, we'll just get you cutting the rest of this off.
That's the departure.
The foil coming here twice. Right, so this side. Just finish off cooking that bit there.
Okay.
Look like you're halfway through it, so.
Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the grease paper off the outside. Okay, so now you've got your pie base made, what you're going to do is put your ingredients in. Now, the special sort of thing to making a chicken and mushroom pie is make sure it's got plenty of mushrooms in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab a handful maybe and just sprinkle them all over the bottom. Couple more. Drop in some there, just sort of spread them around. Some chicken now, we're going to move that. Get a spoon maybe. Put some nice bits of chicken in. Okay, sorry about the camera falling there guys, just like technical hitch with me gimbal. Gonna put some more mushrooms in. Put the rest of the chicken in now. Just okay, so when cooking your pie, it should take you roughly about 40 minutes on 200. So what I'm going to do next is put my mushroom soup in. You can maybe use chicken and mushroom. Just sort of make sure I spread it round the pie. I'm hoping I've got all of it out. Okay, yep, believe that's empty now. I'll just leave it on side there. Then put the rest of the mushrooms in. They should now sink to the bottom of the pie. Okay, next thing is to put the roof on. Should be fun. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do now, everyone, is just spread some egg yolk round the sides. Just give it a nice golden glaze and make it sticky as well for when we do put the top on. Okay, so the sides are nice and sticky now. Time to attempt to put the top on. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just cutting off excess pastry. It is a hard job. You have got to balance a pie with one hand and use the other to cut off all the excess pastry. Just reshape it a bit. There you go. I think I've missed a bit apparently. Okay, I think that's done. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just give it a pasting over with the egg. Just to give it a nice, beautiful golden colour. Just make sure, spread it all round. Okay, then we're going to put it in the oven. Okay everyone, now the pie's nice and prepared, time to put it in the oven. I honestly can't wait to try it, guys. It does smell quite nice. Okay, so that should roughly take about 40 minutes, so I'll see you when it's cooked. Adios. Okay, so just going to put the veggies in now and have a little nose at how the pie's doing. Hope I don't get a blast of smoke. So yeah, the pie's looking pretty alright actually. I'm trying to decide where to put the veggies, top or bottom. Top. Okay, so I'll see you when everything's cooked. Okay, everything's cooked. Sorry I didn't show you plating up the pies. They have went super soggy. We caused quite a mess as well. So I'm just going to quickly try and put some wedges on each, then just get on with it. Okay, so there we have it. My attempt at chicken and mushroom pie. time for the taste test. I'll let Scooter Sue taste it first.
A bit of chicken there. Try the chicken first. Chicken tastes okay, so we'll get a bit of pie now. It's very saucy, gravy. There you go, guys. Mmm. Chicken's nice and tender, and you get a strong mushroom taste.
Okay, I'll get a bit of pastry. Pastry's nice and crispy, nice golden colour. Yummy now, that's gorgeous. Chicken's nice and tender. You get a nice creamy taste with the gravy. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm going to give it a 9.5 this week, probably because we have made them a bit too soggy. Scooter Sue?
I'll give it a 9.8.
Okay guys, well that's a chicken and mushroom pie. Smash the like, smash subscribe as well, and tune in tomorrow for my birthday special live stream. Not entirely too sure what time it is, but just feel free to pop on whenever, whether it's rewind or whatever. See you soon. Thanks for watching.